Third year English, lecture number 55, topic The Happy Prince, chapter number 6. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Third year class, how are you all beta? I hope you all fine and you are living a happy and healthy life with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I pray to Allah to keep you happy and healthy forever. Ameen summa ameen. Students, welcome to my class. And beta, as you know that we are studying our chapter number 6, and beta, we know that how Swallow he helped the people with the things that were given to him by the हैप्पी प्रिंस. ठीक है, किस तरह से हैप्पी प्रिंस जो है बेटा वो अपनी चीज़ें जो उसके भी उसके स्टैचू पे जितनी भी चीज़ें लगी होती हैं वो सारे जो है वो स्वालो से कहते हैं कि टू पिक अप ऑल द प्रेशियस थिंग्स दैट आर पुट ऑन माई body, or you can say on my statue, and give it to my people so that it may decrease their sufferings and sorrows and misery. So beta, in the previous lecture we saw that Swallow he picked out a ruby from the sword of the prince and he gave it to seamstress who was very poor, and her child was very much, you can say, sick, and she had no money to bring oranges and medicine for him. That's why she was very much sad. And happy prince, when he saw all this from the top of the you can say city, so he felt pity for that woman and he requested Swallow to help him with the ruby or sapphires that were putting on his body. Okay beta, so let's see. Then the Swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. It's curious, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now, although it's so cold. Now after doing a work of, you can say after doing a noble deed, he was feeling something very pure and very warm inside. Because this is the, you can say, result of happenings, that result of that things that you do with other people. If you do a noble deed, so it will pay you a reward. और वो आपका reward क्या है? That you feel satisfaction from your inside. So he shares his feeling with the happy prince, and what is the answer by the happy prince? He said that is because you have done a good action, said the prince. And the little Swallow began to think, and then he fell asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy. So the happy prince answered him that because you had done a very good action, a very good job, that's why you are contented and you are warm from inside. This is the blessing of virtue. Okay, and the little Swallow began to think, और उसकी बात पे सोचने लग जाता है, and when he started thinking he fell asleep. और जैसे ही वो सोचने की कोशिश करता है उसको नींद आ जाती है. So when day broke he flew down to the river and had a bath. Okay beta, when day broke means when a new day started, so he came down and he took a bath in the river. So what a remarkable phenomenon happening. क्या शानदार और एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी चीज़ें हो रही हैं ना, said the professor of ornithology science of birds, who was professor of bird. It was his, you can say, subject to have theory, to have you can say views on the bird. So he said that it was very different thing that a swallow in winter, कि एक swallow जो है अबाबिल जो है वो सर्दियों में. So it was unusual thing ना, because swallow they don't stay there where there is so much cold. ठीक है, तो winter season में वो वहाँ पे नहीं ठहरते. They flew from that particular place where winter is happening. वहाँ पे जहाँ पे सर्दी आ रही है बेटा वहाँ से उड़ जाते हैं. But he was staying there due to the request of happy prince, and he wrote a long letter about it to the local newspaper. Everyone quoted it. It was full of so many words that they could not understand. और बेटा उसमें उसने इतना लंबा letter लिखा, so it had a lot of words, so that's where nobody could understand the letter. Okay, tonight I go to Egypt, said the Swallow, and he was in high spirits. High spirits mean he had hoped at the prospect, at this idea that he thought that he would flew today. ठीक है, tonight जो है वो आज की रात जो है वो उड़ जाएगा यहाँ से, and he will go towards Egypt. ठीक है, where his friends, his fellows, they were waiting for him. So he visited all the public monuments and sat a long time on top of the church steeple. बेटा वहाँ पे जितने भी monuments हैं, जितने भी memorials थे, वहाँ पे यादगार चीज़ें थी. So he visited all those things before going to Egypt and sat a long time on top of the church steeple. Steeple mean बेटा spires, ठीक है, spires पे वो वहाँ पे बैठा रहता है on top of the spires. Whenever he went, the sparrows chirped and said to each other, what a distinguished stranger. कितना जो है strange stranger है ना, कितना distinct है, different stranger है ये. So he enjoyed himself very much. So by hearing their views he enjoyed a lot. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Have you any commissions for Egypt? He cried. I am just starting. तो कहते हैं कि when the moon rose, mean to say when the night began, so he flew back to the happy prince after visiting the whole day the monuments of the city. So he went to the happy prince and asked him, have you any commissions? Commissions mean any work. Have you anything to do before going to Egypt so that I may do it? So he cried, I am just starting. Starting mean I am just to leave. Okay, so swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me one night longer? क्या तुम मज़ीद मेरे साथ एक रात मेरे साथ नहीं ठहर सकते? So he said that I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. Tomorrow my friends will fly up to the second Hetat, the river horse, couches there among the bulrushes, and on a great granite throne sits the god Memnon. All night long he watched. Okay, beta, he's saying that I am waiting for in Egypt. For it's mean that his friends, they were waiting for him in Egypt, and that's why he wanted to fly from that. So answered the swallow, tomorrow my friends will fly up. कहते हैं कि नेक्स्ट डे जो है वो आज they will wait for me today in Egypt and tomorrow they will fly up to the second cataract. Second cataract mean waterfall. ठीक है बेटा, waterfall को कहते हैं. So he is saying that they will wait for me over there and I have to be with them in order to go to the next place. So the river horse couches there among the bulrushes. Okay, bulrushes क्या है? reeds. reeds का हमने बेटा पिछले लेसन में भी पढ़ा था. ठीक है, वहाँ पे कहते हैं कि they are sitting there among the bulrushes and on a great granite throne. ठीक है, थ्रोन बेटा आपको पता है तख्त को कहते हैं. ठीक है, और ग्रेनाइट का तख्त सा बना हुआ है जहाँ पे बादशाह बैठा करते थे. सिर्फ द गॉड मेमनोन. अब बेटा ये गॉड मेमनोन जो है ये इट इज़ एंड यू कैन से इट इज़ एन इमेजिनरी फिगर, या फिर जिनकी हिस्टोरिकल हिस्ट्री में इन्होंने बेटा कुछ किए हुए कि ही इज़ द गॉड ऑफ दिस थिंग एंड ही इज़ द गॉड ऑफ दैट थिंग. सो ही इज सेइंग दैट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर थ्रोन सिट्स द गॉड मेमनोन. All night long he watches the stars and when the morning star shines he utters one cry of joy. कहते सारी रात जो है he looks at the star and in the morning he speaks. utters mean he speaks one cry of joy. वो खुशी से चीख मारता है and then he is silent. Or later after shaking, after giving a long shriek, high shriek, he becomes silent. So at noon the yellow loins come down to the water's edge to drink. The heavy eyes like green barrels and their roar is louder than the roar of the cataract. Okay, cataract से ज़्यादा जो waterfall से ज़्यादा बेटा कहता है कि उनकी roars हैं they are more louder than this. Actually he wants to tell him that it's very important to fly towards Egypt because his friends were waiting there and there were many things they were worth of seeing. So but Happy Prince he requested Swallow to stay one more day with him in order to help more people. So beta we will see in the next you can say lecture that how the little swallow helped Happy Prince whether he stayed one more night with him because there was too much cold and it was not easy for Swallow to you can say to live there to spend one more night with the Happy Prince. But because his heart was very good and it was as good as the heart of the Happy Prince. So both of them they sacrificed themselves in order to help the needy people who were in suffering. So beta let's see in the next lecture that how Swallow helped the people and in order to satisfy the Happy Prince. Okay beta, it's enough for today's lecture and I hope that you have well understood and it is very interesting and you can say it gives us a very deep message that helping others in spite of your own self is done, always done a great job. अगर बेटा if you prefer other people to yourself, so God will prefer to you. This is the main idea that the Oscar Wilde he wants to share us, that helping the humanity is a very divine thing. So beta, what you have to do, you also should try to adopt this very message. Okay beta, till tomorrow, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz. And beta, this was enough for today, and all of you remember me in your prayers, and may God protect you from all dangers and evils. Ameen summa ameen. Allah Hafiz.